Good morning, guys. This is our lecture number 4. Today's lecture we will study about the permutation, types of permutation, example based on the permutation. Next is permutation group and example based on the permutation group. First we see the definition of permutation. The definition of permutation is a one-to-one mapping of non-empty set S onto itself is called a permutation. What is a permutation? A one-to-one mapping of a non-empty set S onto itself is called a permutation. जर एखादा नॉन एम्प्टी सेटवर वन टू वन मॅपिंग जर आपण करत असू तर त्या सेटला आपण त्याला काय म्हणत असतो, आपण परम्युटेशन म्हणत असतो. पुन्हा एकदा रीड करतो डेफिनेशन, लक्ष द्या. वन टू वन मॅपिंग ऑफ अ नॉन एम्प्टी सेट S onto itself is called a permutation. त्या वन टू वन मॅपिंगला आपण परम्युटेशन म्हणतो. We denote the set of all permutation of S by A of S. जर S आपलं जर एखादा परम्युटेशन असेल, ठीक आहे, तर डिनोट द सेट ऑफ ऑल परम्युटेशन ऑफ S. तर S च्या सर्व परम्युटेशनला आपण A of S ने डिनोट करतो. We denote the set of all permutation of S by A of S. Under the composition of permutation, the set A of S becomes a group and it is called a permutation group or the symmetric group. Under the composition of permutation, the set A of S become a group. Under the composition of permutation, permutationचं जर आपण composition केलं तर A of S काय बनतो, आपला ग्रुप बनतो and it is called a permutation group or a symmetric group. या permutation ग्रुपलाच आपण काय म्हणत असतो, सिमेट्रिक ग्रुप म्हणत असतो. त्यानंतर आपल्याला बघायचं आहे टाइप्स ऑफ परम्युटेशन. फर्स्ट टाइप इज आयडेंटिटी परम्युटेशन. व्हॉट इज द आयडेंटिटी परम्युटेशन? A permutation F belongs to A of S. What is the A of S? A of S is a set of all permutation of S. What is the A of S? A of S is a set of all permutation of S. A permutation F belongs to A of S is called an identity permutation if F of A equals to A for all A belongs to S. That is, image of every element F of A equals to A. Thus meaning काय आहे तुमचा, image of every element is again in that set. Example, प्रत्येक एलिमेंट, इमेज ऑफ एव्हरी एलिमेंट इज अगेन इन दॅट सेट. त्या सेटच्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटची इमेज त्या सेटमध्येच बिलॉंग झाली पाहिजे. तशा परम्युटेशनला आपण काय म्हणतो, आयडेंटिटी परम्युटेशन म्हणत असतो. एक्झाम्पल, इफ ए बी सी इज अ डोमेन अँड ए बी सी इज अ कोडोमेन, ए इज मॅपिंग टू ए, बी इज मॅपिंग टू बी, सी इज मॅपिंग टू सी. In the permutation notation, it gives A, B, C and next to is A, B, C. This is an identity permutation and it is denoted by I. This is an identity permutation and it is denoted by I. Next type is equality permutation. There are two permutation. Let's consider F and G are the two permutation. F and G belongs to A of S, are said to be equal permutation if F of A equals to G of A. These two permutation are said to be a equal permutation if F of A equals to G of A for all A belongs to S. Let's consider the two permutation. F permutation is A, B, C and X is X, Y, Z, and next G permutation is B, C, A and next row is Y, Z, X. In both the permutation, the image of X, Y, Z are same. F permutation मध्ये बघा, X ची इमेज आहे तुमची A, Y ची इमेज आहे तुमची B आणि Z ची इमेज आहे तुमची C, और A ची इमेज आहे तुमची X, B ची इमेज आहे Y आणि C ची इमेज आहे Z. तसं जे या परम्युटेशनमध्ये B ची इमेज आहे Y, C ची इमेज आहे Z आणि A ची इमेज आहे X. इन बोथ द परम्युटेशन द इमेज ऑफ X, Y, Z आर सेम. म्हणजे इमेज सेम आहे, त्यामुळे हे दोन्ही परम्युटेशन काय होईल, तुमचे इक्वल परम्युटेशन होतील. ओके. नेक्स्ट टाइप इज inverse of permutation. An inverse of permutation F belongs to AS is denoted by F inverse and it is obtained by interchanging of rows. एखादा जर परम्युटेशन घेतलं आपण F2 जर परम्युटेशन घेऊ तर याचा इन्व्हर्स मिळेल आपल्याला F2 इन्व्हर्स आणि याला म्हणू आपण इन्व्हर्स ऑफ परम्युटेशन. लेट कन्सिडर F2 इक्वल्स टू ABC, नेक्स्ट रो इज ACB. याचा इन्व्हर्स काय मिळेल, मग या ज्या रो आहे या रो तुम्हाला काय करायचे, इंटरचेंज करायचे. then F2 inverse it given as F2 inverse equals to ACB. सेकंड रो जाईल फर्स्ट पोझिशनला आणि फर्स्ट रो जाईल तुमची सेकंड पोझिशनला. तर F2 इन्व्हर्स मिळेल तुम्हाला ACB ABC. नेक्स्ट टाईप इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ परम्युटेशन. जर दोन परम्युटेशनचं जर आपण प्रोडक्ट घेऊ तर काय मिळेल. लेट कन्सिडर द टू परम्युटेशन. परम्युटेशन F इक्वल्स टू ABC BCA and G permutation is ABC ACB. When we take the product of two permutation, that is the F dot G, it gives F. जो फर्स्ट परम्युटेशन आहे आपला त्याची जी फर्स्ट रो आहे ती ॲज इट इज कॉपी करायची ABC. ओके. देन फर्स्ट रोची जी इमेज आहे त्या एलिमेंटची सेकंड परम्युटेशनमध्ये इमेज बघायची आणि ती इमेज येईल तुमची प्रोडक्टमध्ये. आता बघा फर्स्ट परम्युटेशन आहे तुमचा F. F परम्युटेशनचा जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आहे तुमचा ए कुठे मॅप होते तुमचा बी या एलिमेंटवरती मॅप होते. आता जी परम्युटेशनमध्ये बघा बी एलिमेंट कुठे आहे तुमचा इथे आहे तुमचा बी एलिमेंट आणि बी एलिमेंट कुठे मॅप होते सी वरती मॅप होते. म्हणजे F इंटू जी या प्रोडक्टमध्ये एचं आन्सर येईल तुमचं सी. ए मॅप्स टू बी आणि हिअर बी मॅप्स टू सी. देअरफॉर इन द प्रोडक्ट ए मॅप टू सी. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट F परम्युटेशनमध्ये नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट आहे तुमचा बी मॅप्स होते सी वरती आणि इन द जी परम्युटेशन सी मॅप्स टू बी. देअरफॉर इन द प्रोडक्ट बी मॅप्स टू बी मॅप्स टू सी and here C maps to B. Therefore here B maps to B. Next element is C maps to A and in the G permutation A maps to A. Therefore in the product C maps to A. Therefore we get a product F into G equals to A maps A B C and C B A. Now we see the example. Example first is show that S1 S2 are abelian but S3 is not abelian. आपल्याला शो करायचं आहे S1 S2 आहे कसे आहेत अबिलियन आहेत आणि S3 हा काय अबिलियन नाही आहे. अबिलियन शो करायसाठी आपल्याला शो करायचं असते की ग्रुप काय करतोय कम्युटेटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय करतोय. लेट S1 म्हटलं म्हणजे त्यामध्ये किती एलिमेंट येतील S1 म्हटलं त्यामुळे त्यामध्ये एकच एलिमेंट येईल. Therefore S1 is a set of one element we take as A. Therefore S1 equals to A which is an identity permutation. Therefore an identity permutation is always an abelian. Hence S1 is an abelian. Let S2 म्हटलं म्हणजे किती एलिमेंट येतील त्यामध्ये दोन एलिमेंट येतील. Therefore S2 is a set of two elements that is A comma B. Therefore S2 gives a two permutation AB which is an identity permutation and next permutation is AB BA. We say it is a F permutation. And now we have to show that S2 is an abelian. That is we have to show that I into F equals to F into I. Okay. I into F. Let's consider the I into F. What is the I permutation? I permutation is AB and F permutation is AB BA. It can be written as I into AB BA, but it can be written as B into I F into I. Therefore F into I, and we substitute the value of I, that is the identity permutation. Therefore we get AB BA into AB AB, and these LHS and RHS are same. Therefore we can say that S2 satisfies the commutative property, and S2 satisfies the commutative property. Therefore we can say that S2 is an abelian group. Now we have to show that S3 is not an abelian group. Therefore S3, it means that there are three elements. Therefore S3 is a set of three elements A, B and C. Then S3 is a 3 factorial which gives the 6 permutation. Let's consider the 2 permutation. We consider F permutation whose entries are A, B, C, and consider the G permutation whose entries are A, B, C, and B, A, C. Let we take the product of F into G, and next we take the product of G into F. If F into G equals to G into F, then we say that the S3 is an abelian. But if F dot G is not equals to G dot F, then we say that S3 is not a abelian. Therefore, we take the F into G. When we take the F dot G, when we take the product of F and G permutation, it gives the entries A, B, C, B, C, A, which is the equation number 1. And when we take the product of permutation G into F, it gives the entries A, B, C, C, A, B. This is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we can say that F dot G is not equals to G dot F. Therefore, the group S3 is not an abelian group because it does not satisfy the property of commutativity. Therefore, the group S3 is not an abelian group. Next, we say is the definition of permutation group. What is the permutation group? Let S is the set of x1, x2, x3 up to the xn be a finite set, and A of S be the set of all one-to-one mapping of S onto itself. If the set A of S becomes a group under the product of permutation, is called a permutation group. जर A of S हा जर तुमचा अंडर द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ परम्युटेशन हा जर ग्रुप बनत असेल तर अशा ग्रुपला काय म्हणता तुम्ही? परम्युटेशन ग्रुप म्हणता. ओके, पुन्हा एकदा डेफिनेशन रीड करते. लेट S इज द सेट ऑफ x1, x2 up to the xn be a finite set, and A of S be the set of all one-to-one mapping of S onto itself. If the set A of S becomes a group under the product of permutation, is called a permutation group. Example, here we have to show that A of S is a permutation group under the product of permutation. Example आपल्याला इथे दाखवायचं आहे, show that A of S is a permutation group under the product of permutation. What is the A of S? A of S is a set of all permutation of S. So या set of all permutation of S ला दाखवायचं आहे आपल्याला, काय दाखवायचं आहे? ग्रुप आहे under the operation of product of under the operation of multiplication, that is the product of permutation. Let's consider that three permutation F, G, H, which belongs to A of S, where F whose entries are x1, x2 up to the xn and y1, y2 up to the yn. The G permutation whose entries are y1, y2 up to the yn, z1, z2 up to the zn, and H entries are z1, z2 up to the zn, and t1, t2 up to the tn. Here y1, y2, y3 up to the yn, z1, z2 up to the zn, t1, t2 up to the tn are the arrangement of the same element of x1, x2 up to the xn, and thus all y's, z and t's are the member of S. To show that A of S आपल्याला काय दाखवायचं? A of S काय तुमचा ग्रुप आहे. ग्रुप दाखवण्यासाठी आपल्याला चार प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय करायचे. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज अ क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इज असोसिएटिव्ह प्रॉपर्टी, थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज एक्झिस्टन्स ऑफ आयडेंटिटी, and fourth property is existence of inverse. Let's consider the first property, that is the closure property. Let's take the two permutation F, G belongs to S, whose entries are F is a permutation whose entries are x1, x2 up to the xn, y1, y2 up to the yn. The permutation G whose entries are y1, y2 up to the yn, z1, z2 up to the zn. Take the product of this permutation F and G and check whether the product belongs to A of S or not. If the product belongs to A of S, then the A of S satisfies the closure property. Let we take the product of F and G permutation. This is the F permutation and this is the G permutation. When we take the product of two permutation F and G, the result is x1, x2 up to the so on xn, and z1, z2 up to the so on zn, and this set belongs to A of S, and this set belongs to A of S. Therefore, product of two permutation is also belongs to A of S. For F, G belongs to A of S, hence A of S is a closure under the product of permutation. Next property is associative property. What is the associative property? let we take the three elements f, g and h belongs to A of s. The permutation of 3 f, g and h are defined in the previous. Let we take the LHS f dot g of h. When we solve this product, we get x1 x2 up to the xn, t1 t2 up to the tn, and this is the equation number 1. When we solve the RHS is f dot g into h, and when we solve this RHS, we get x1 x2 up to the xn, t1 t2 up to the tn, and this is our equation number 2. And equation number 1 and equation number 2 is same, therefore we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore we can say that f dot g dot h equals to f dot g dot h for all f comma g comma h belongs to A of s, and this is the condition of associativity. Therefore we can say that A of s is associative under the product of permutation. Next property is existence of identity. In this permutation, the identities are x1 x2 up to the xn, again x1 x2 up to the xn, and next identity is y1 y2 up to the yn, and y1 y2 up to the yn. Therefore consider f into y, where f entries are x1 x2 up to the xn, y1 y2 up to the yn, and identity is y1 y2 up to the yn, y1 y2 up to the yn. When we take the product of f into y, we get x1 x2 up to the xn, y1 y2 up to the yn, which is the equation number 1. Now we take the product of I into f. When we take the product of I into f, it gives the result x1 x2 up to the xn, y1 y2 up to the yn, and this is a f permutation. Therefore f into y, it gives the f, also I into f, it gives the f, and this is a condition of existence of identity. Therefore we can say that hence for each f belongs to A of s, there exists an identity belongs to A of s such that f into y equals to I into f equals to f. Therefore you can say that identity element is exist in A of s. Now we have to show that existence of inverse. Let's consider the f of permutation. Therefore f equals to x1 x2 up to the xn, y1 y2 up to the yn, which is belongs to A of s. And consider the inverse of permutation f. When we take the inverse, we can interchange the row of permutation. Therefore f inverse is y1 y2 up to the yn, x1 x2 up to the xn, which is also belongs to A of s. When we take the product of these two permutation f and inverse of f, when we take the product of this permutation f and inverse of f, it gives the identity permutation. Let we check f into f inverse, it gives x1 x2 xn, also x1 x2 up to the so on xn, which is an identity permutation. Therefore we can write f into f inverse, it gives the identity. Therefore we can say that existence of identities exist. Also if we take f inverse into f, it also gives the identity permutation. And this shows that for each f belongs to A of s, there exists f inverse belongs to A of s such that f into f inverse, it gives f inverse into f equals to identity. Therefore the inverse is exist in A of s. ही कंडिशन मिळत आहे म्हणजे आपल्याला काय आपण काय सांगू शकतो यावरून की या परम्युटेशनला काय एक्झिस्ट आहे, इनवर्स एक्झिस्ट आहे. Therefore inverse is exist in A of s. Thus A of s satisfies all the properties of group. Therefore we can say that A of s becomes a group under the multiplication of permutation. Thank you. Here the lecture is ended.